Meaning of decorous.
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 Decorous. Decorous refers to being socially appropriate and well-mannered, especially in formal settings. It is the quality of displaying proper behavior and demonstrating a sense of taste and style in one's conduct. Someone who is decorous is dignified, respectful, and polite in their interactions with others. In social situations, they behave with tact and restraint, avoiding vulgarity or impropriety. Overall, a decorous individual is someone who conducts themselves gracefully and respectfully, reflecting well on themselves and those around them.